English teacher. Amanda Paige Burris. Paige plans to study nursing at Stanley Community College. Allison Julia Cook. Allison will study medical radiological imaging at Stanley Community College. Jade Aileen Dawkins Cruz. Jade will attend Southeastern University in Florida to study children's ministry and school counseling. Roberto Minas Garcia. Roberto plans to study information technology and computer science at Western Carolina University. Alicia Dawn Jackson. Alicia plans to continue her studies at Stanley Community College. Randy Quentin King. Quentin plans to pursue a bachelor's degree and possibly become a highway patrol officer. Forrest Xing Lee. Forrest will attend East Carolina University to study networking. Samantha Kimberly Linnell. Samantha plans to attend North Carolina State University to study sociology. Jalea Denise Little. Jalea will attend Appalachian State University and plans to become a teacher. Nia Cherie Liverman. Nia plans to study respiratory therapy at Stanley Community College. Adam Nicholas Love. Adam will attend Southeastern College and major in global studies. Ian Connor Martin. Connor will study economics and minor in French at UNC Charlotte. Stephanie Francis McGill. Stephanie plans to enter the workforce. Itzel Mercado Lopez. Itzel will study business and accounting at Stanley Community College. Araceli Mondragon. Araceli will study social work at UNC Charlotte. Matthew Timothy Morgan. Matthew plans to study engineering. Brandon Eric Mosier. Brandon will attend Stanley Community College to study law enforcement. Christina Leanne Mullis. Christina will study advertising and design at Stanley Community College. Ashley Taylor Nelson. Ashley will study anthropology at UNC Greensboro. Courtney Lynn Newton. Courtney will study early childhood education at Rowan Cabarrus Community College. Whitney Michelle Newton. Whitney plans to become a science teacher. Alyssa Nicole Patterson. Alyssa will attend North Carolina State University to study nutrition science and pre-med. Alejandro Jesus Gomez Ramirez. Alejandro plans to attend Western Carolina University to study film and directing. Jody Lynn Register. Jody will attend UNC Charlotte to obtain a bachelor's degree in nursing. Elsinai Ruiz. Elsie will pursue a bachelor's degree in nursing and biological science at Texas State University. Eric Perez Rodriguez. Eric will study computer science at Stanley Community College. Bailey Christopher Seifman. Bailey will study... You're good. I'm sorry, Bailey. Bailey Christopher Seifman. Bailey will study aerospace engineering at Wake Technical Community College. Angel Aaron Sedano. Angel will study electronics engineering technology at Stanley Community College. Whitney Michelle Sellers. Whitney plans to enter the workforce. Sierra Dawn Swearingen. Sierra will study at Stanley Community College and would like to become a marine biologist. Bennett Jason Tucker. Bennett plans to work as a biomedical equipment technologist at Presbyterian Hospital in Charlotte. Dur Vang. Dur will study at Everest Institute in Columbus, Ohio to become a dental assistant. Jimmy Vang. Jimmy will study civil engineering at UNC Charlotte. Ying Kong Vang. Ying plans to study computer science and electrical engineering at Stanley Community College. Pang Ku Zong. Pang will study electronics engineering at Stanley Community College. C. Cindy Zhang. Cindy will attend UNC Wilmington to study English and become an English traveling teacher. Ku Yang. Ku will study occupational physical therapy at UNC Chapel Hill. Shelby Lynn Young. Shelby will study fine arts at East Carolina University.